Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm gonna have dinner now and then I will catch you guys in the next one. Oh, yum! Hey guys, sorry, my microphone died, but basically what I was showing here was the brand. So it's the chocolate cake in a box. It's a box chocolate cake. And I was telling you guys to get that brand because it's the best. So you just follow the instructions on the back of the box. It's pretty easy. It tells you what you need, the extras you need, sorry, and the instructions, like literally everything. You just follow. We use oil instead of butter. We use milk instead of water. But you do what works best for you. Just showing you that we add coffee, so that's the only extra that we add into the mix. We just add as much as, when I say we, I mean I add as much as I want. For you might be a small amount, and I also use decaf because the kids will be eating the cake as well.
Hi, Mom. You're making
Chocolate cake.
for us?
So our cake is out and it's been cooled down for 10-15 minutes now. So it's nice and warm. Now we get to add our icing. Okay. And you want to add this while it's still warm so that the icing is, so that it's easy to spread the icing. Kids love it. What you could do, you could add sprinkles, but we're gonna keep it simple, nice and simple today. Nothing fancy. Okay, that's it. We just get the kids to line up, and I'll just serve the. So we're gonna cut half of it. So the idea is that you make enough to have dessert tonight and tomorrow. I'll show you. Oopsie. So delicious. Now I'm gonna call the kids and the big kids and we're gonna serve up. So we got our French vanilla ice cream and a piece of our chocolate cake. Mm. Oh yeah. And with chocolate cake, you eat it. You have to eat it with French vanilla ice cream. Is Leo asleep? Yeah. When he wakes up. Mm. Mm. Tell Auntie and Uncle the cake's ready. Cream on his finger. The cream's upstairs in the room. Just a cooling cream.
They're just coming. They're just doing interesting.
If you're a busy mom and you're constantly on the go, you want something that is quick and easy. And this is my quick and easy dessert. There's another one that I usually make as well, which is banoffee pie. I will show that as well in one of my future videos. Mm-hmm. Smashed it. Very Manaya. Show everyone your cake. Oh, wow. You got two pieces. That's Dasha's and that's Daniela's. See, she's got two pieces too. Ooh, look at that. Show everybody that. Oh, yum. So good. Very nice.
So yes from me. You're through to the next round.
If you made it this far, thank you so much for your support. We really appreciate you guys. Please make sure you subscribe if you haven't already and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video. All right, we're gonna end the video here. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Bye.